Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Windows Update failed error. Alright, let's begin. First of all, access search menu from the bottom of your screen and then search for services. Now open this program and locate Windows Event Collector inside it. After that, double click on it to open its properties and change the startup type to automatic. Once done, click on Start and then save the settings. Now, double-click on the Windows Event Log feature and also change its startup type to automatic. After that, start the service and then save the settings by clicking on Apply. After you are done with both of them, open Windows Update feature, again set its startup type to automatic and save the settings. Once you are done, close the Service tab, go to the search bar and run Command Prompt as an administrator. Inside it, paste all of these commands, run them one by one and close the program. Now, restart your PC and your problem will be solved. So that's basically how you can fix Windows Update failed error. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.